Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating the Kaggle project environment and getting the data ready. First, set up a new kernel or notebook and select the runtime type with GPU or TPU if your model needs it. Once done, upload your dataset or attach a public dataset from Kaggle, inspect file names and a few rows to confirm formats. Make sure to create a requirements TXT or add libraries in the notebook so dependencies install automatically when you run cells. You now explore and preprocess so the model learns effectively. Start with data inspection, head, describe, and visual checks to catch missing values or class imbalance, then clean and encode categorical fields, normalize numeric columns, and split into train, validation, and test sets. Next, define your model architecture and hyperparameters. Explain why you chose layers or loss functions. During training, use callbacks for early stopping and model checkpoints, so you can recover the best. You finish by evaluating, packaging, and submitting your predictions. Run evaluations on validation and test splits, compute relevant metrics, and review misclassified examples to understand failure modes. Once satisfied, generate a submission CSV in the required format and upload it to the competition page. If the score is worse than expected, check for data leakage, inappropriate learning rate, or overfitting. Retrain with regularization or more data augmentation. One key troubleshooting tip: if run
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.